Oh, I heard the wind a-blowing, I heard the thunder die, and I saw the lightning flash across the sky. Then the rain started falling, and I heard this bird calling, follow me, and I will lead you. As I looked to the sky for the bird, you won't believe what I heard. Well, I am not a bird. This voice that you heard, but follow me, and I will lead you home. As I looked to the sky above, I saw this pretty white dove, and the rain was still falling, and the voice was still calling, follow me, and I will lead you home. As I looked to the heavens in awe, you won't believe what I saw. Well, the rain was still falling, and there stood Jesus calling, follow me, and I will lead you home. When your life is down and it's weary, and you're thinking, can Jesus really hear me? Well, don't you give up trying. Jesus hears you crying, and He will hold your hand, and He will lead you home. Don't you give up trying.